Hey there, software navigators! Today, we're charting a course to get Adobe Audition for free on your PC or Mac. Let's get started. First, click the link in the description below to head over to Adobe's official website. Once you're there, find and click the free trial button. Choose the business plan, which gives you a 14-day free trial. Plenty of time to explore all the powerful audio editing tools Adobe Audition has to offer. Next, hit Continue, enter your email address, and press Continue again. You'll need to fill out your personal details and payment information. Adobe won't charge you until the 14-day trial ends, and you can cancel any time before the 14 days are up, or stick with it if you like it. Once you've completed the form, click Agree and Subscribe. Now, create a secure password for your new Adobe account. After that, you'll be prompted to download the Creative Cloud desktop app. Install it, log in with the same email address, and you're ready to go. Once Creative Cloud is open, navigate to the Apps tab, find Adobe Audition, and click Install. And there you have it. Adobe Audition is now installed and ready to use. Whether you're editing audio, mixing tracks, or producing podcasts, you're all set. Plus, you'll have access to the full Creative Cloud Pro Suite to explore even more tools. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the Software Navigators for more tutorials and software tips. Happy editing, and we'll see you on the next video!